Nice.
Blow it up! Blow it up! Blow it up!
One small.
Cell phone that has working
One
number
destroyed
thingers.
cell phone.
Cell phone that almost
It almost works.
Get it closer to the radiation. That'll fix it.
You take the battery out?
No. Oh, I don't care.
charities.
Okay, back up.
Back up! Okay, this is a cell phone in the microwave. Have you ever wondered what happened with a cell phone in the microwave? Well, you are about to find out. The screen is blinking.
The screen is blinking. It's calling someone. Help! Help! I'm getting burned alive.
Someone's phoning.
I smell something burnt.
Did you turn it off?
Why'd you open it?
That works now.
It's working. Okay, get down, Jay.
Terry wants it back now.
Get down.
Kneel down.
I was like, kick it down. Why?
Whoa, it's smoking. Stay down. The screen came off, and it's smoking now. And there was a pop. And now there's sparks. Get your hand down, Mary.
Oh, stay back, stay back.
It's smoking badly. It's on fire. There's fire. Woo! And that's what happens when you stick a cell phone in the microwave. There is a fire. And it starts melting.
Okay, another one.
Yeah, can I keep it? That's a cell phone. When it cools down, can I keep it?